it's Meredith. Are you ready to start training for a new career as an EMT? I'm at the National EMS Institute here in Carver. Come on! The Crash Simulation Lab is a new addition to the National EMS Institute. By adding this lab, students will learn to answer to realistic simulations and move patients from the scene of an accident. Students will learn to understand scene safety while learning to properly move patients from tight areas, such as a vehicle that has been in a collision. For more information on how you can start a new career as an EMT, visit nationaleMSinstitute.com.